Hey, Sabrina with Wildlife X Team, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the slowest moving animals. This next one is a seahorse. They are a special type of fish species found within the tropical waters around the world. Unlike other species of fish, they are unable to make so much movement in water because of the mysterious body structure. The fast movement of seahorses are limited to 0.5 miles per hour. The very slow movements of seahorses make them stay within a unique place during their lifetime. The banana slug is a member of gastropod mollusk with no shell at all. The movement through muscular contraction makes them one of the slowest animal species. Most of the time, slugs used to lay underground for feeding and laying eggs. Slugs can only achieve faster movement of 0.2 miles per hour. They also have the capacity to live underground for several years in a moist condition. The koala bear. Koala bears come under a special subcategory of mammals called marsupial. It is not at all a member of bears, but it looks like bear native to Australia. The strong limbs and claws of koala bears help them to climb on trees in no time and eat leaves of the trees. Koala bears are one of the slowest animals because of their poor eyesight. They spend most of the time in trees. Koala bears have thickly padded tails, letting them sit in trees for hours. They have an excellent sense of smell and sound, so they recognize the predators very easily.